last thing a vehicle owner wants is to have problems with their diesel emission system because of a gasket failure. As a parts reseller, you want to sell the customer a product that you have complete confidence in and that you can make money on. At Redline Emissions Products, we've been manufacturing replacement parts for diesel emission systems and industry-leading after-treatment cleaning equipment since 2014. We'd like to introduce you to the Redline Emissions product line of gaskets for diesel emission systems. These gaskets are engineered to have an OEM fit and quality at a price that is competitive for the vehicle owner and profitable for the distributor. In fact, our gaskets are mechanically bonded with a starburst carbon steel core to eliminate separation, which is common in lower quality laminated gaskets. Our gaskets also have an elastomer coating for superior sealing with rough surfaces. At Redline Emissions Products, our mission is diesel emission systems made easy. That is why each gasket we manufacture is a direct fit that will meet or exceed the OEM and are sold individually or in bulk. When sold individually, they come in a box for protection and easy identification because they are labeled with OEM cross numbers to make sure it is the correct part. If you'd like to become a distributor for Redline Emissions products and sell our gaskets, visit rep.direct or call us toll-free. Our number is 1-888-295-4670.